Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you about how you can fix your error. So if you can't add your story in Instagram on your iPhone or Android, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing you need to check your internet connection. Mostly it happens because you have problems with your internet connection. So just go to the settings, just open the settings, just open Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if you use mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data or cellular data. And also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have the server, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try another way. So just try to remove, first thing just close and reopen your app, and if it doesn't help you, just tap on it and wait until you will see remove app. Just tap on remove and just submit removing app from your iPhone. And after, just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab you need to write Instagram and just tap on get and just download and install Instagram again on your phone. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.